Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito. Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito. So the Plasmodium vivax they contain two hosts. One host man, another host female Anopheles mosquito. Previous class we will discuss Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito. So today we will discuss Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito. Previous class today we will discuss Plasmodium vivax life cycle in man. Today we will discuss Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito. So the Plasmodium vivax in the female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria patient. Female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria patient. Say they sucking the blood of the malaria patient. The mosquito sucking the blood of the malaria patients. So the blood contain a gametocyte stages and other erythrocytic stages. The last class erythrocytic cycle. Final step of the erythrocytic cycle, the formation of gametocyte. Large size is called as female gametocytes, small size is called as male gametocytes, and they are presenting on the blood circulation. Next one, they are presenting on the another stages of the erythrocytic cycle. So the female Anopheles mosquito, bites a malaria patient. And suck the blood. So the female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria patient and sucking up the blood of the malaria patient. So these blood contain a gametocyte stages. Blood contain gametocytes and other erythrocytic cycle. Stages. Other erythrocytic cycle stages are present in blood of malaria patient. So the female Anopheles mosquito bites a malaria patient, sucking the blood of the malaria patient. So the man blood they contain a gametocytes and other erythrocytic stages, means signet ring stage, amoeboid stage, Schaffner dot stage, merozoite stage. So these are the stages are presenting in the blood of the malaria patient. So they are sucking the blood of the malaria patient. So these stages entering into the crop of the mosquito. This patient. So these stages entering into the crop of the mosquito. So the except the gametocytes, all are digested. Except gametocyte stages. Remaining all the stages are the digestion of the crop of the mosquito. Only gametocytes are the surviving in the crop of the mosquito. So next one, so these female Anopheles mosquito life cycle, the Plasmodium vivax life cycle in mosquito, they contain 4 steps. First one, gametogamy. Second one, fertilization. fertilization. Third one, formation of ookinete and oocyst. Formation of ookinete and oocyst. Fourth one, sporogamy. So the life cycle in female anaphylaxis mosquito, they contain 4 stages. First one, gametogamy. Second one, fertilization. Third one, formation of ookinete and oocyst. Fourth one, sporogamy. First side reading, fertilization. First side reading, gametogamy. First step, first reading, gametogamy. First step reading, gametogamy. So gametogamy means the formation of male and female gametes from the gametocytes. Formation of male and female gametes. Formation of male and female gametes from the gametocytes. Is called gametogamy. So gametogamy means the formation of male and female gametes. From the gametocytes. Is called as gametogamy. So the gametogamy contains 2 steps. One is the male gamete formation. Second one, female gamete formation. Male gamete formation and female gamete formation. So the gametogamy means the formation of male and female gametes from the gametocytes. So they are called as gametogamy. So the gametogamy contains 2 steps. One is the male gamete formation. Second one, female gamete formation. In the man's cycle, final step, the formation of gametocytes. Large size is called as female gametocytes. For example, so they are the large size. So they are called as female gametocytes. The small size. So they are called as male gametocyte. So large size is called as female gametocyte. Small size is called as male gametocyte. So the female Anaphylaxis mosquito bites a malaria patient. Sucking the blood of the malaria patient. The malaria patient blood contains gametocytes and other erythrocytic cycle stages. Except the gametocytes, all the stages are the dissolving, digested, only surviving the gametocytes. So they are presenting in the crop of the mosquito. So these are entering into the crop of the mosquito. So they are the small gametocyte. So these are the large gametocyte. So they are called as female gametocyte. Female gametocyte. So these are called as a male gametocyte. Male gametocyte. So the larger size is called as female gametocyte, small one is called as male gametocyte. First side heading, male gamete formation. First side heading, male gamete formation. Male gamete formation means, so the male gametocyte, the nucleus is divided into 8 daughter nuclei. The nucleus of the microgametocyte means male gametocyte nucleus is divided into 8 daughter nuclei. So the nucleus is divided into 8 daughter nuclei is called as pronuclei. So they are the 8 daughter nuclei. Next one, they are presenting on the cytoplasm. They are presenting on the cytoplasm. They are the cytoplasm. So they are the 8 daughter nuclei with the cytoplasm. Next one, the 8 daughter nuclei, they are the formation of flagella-like structure. 8 flagella-like structure. The cytoplasm, they are pushing outside. They formation of 8 flagella-like structures. See the large diagram. So they are the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are the 8 daughter nuclei. These are presenting on the cytoplasm. So they are the cytoplasm. So next step, the cytoplasm push into the outside. They formation of 8 flagella-like structures. They formation of 8 flagella-like structures. Eight flagella-like structures. The formation of 8 flagella-like structures. So the nucleus, one nucleus entering into the one flagella. One nucleus entering into the one flagella. So they are formation of 8 flagella-like structures. The cytoplasm, they are pushed outside. They formation of 8 flagella-like structures. Each flagella-like structure, one nucleus entering into the one flagella. One nucleus entering into the one flagella. Next step, the flagellas are the lashing movements of the lashing movements. So in the lashing movement process, the flagellas are the separate. Lashing movement, their flagellas are the separate. One flagella, 2 flagellas, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the flagellas are the lashing movement. So the flagellas are the separate from the cytoplasm. So totally they formation of 8 male gametes. So they are called as male gamete. Male gamete. First heading means male gamete formation. Male gamete formation. Male gamete formation means first step, the nucleus of the male gametocyte, they divided into 8 daughter nuclei. 8 daughter nuclei. So these 8 daughter nuclei present the peripheral inside. Next one, the cytoplasm, they formation of 8 flagella-like structures. 8 flagella-like structures. So the each flagellum entering into the one nucleus. Each flagella entering into the one nucleus. So these flagellas are the lashing movement. Flagellas are the lashing movement. So the flagellas are the separate from the cytoplasm. So these are called as exflagellation. They are cutting process. They are separating of the flagella. So they are called as exflagellation. Exflagellation. Exflagellation means they separating of the flagella from the cytoplasm. So they are called as exflagellation. They finally the formation of 8 male gametes. Formation of 8 male gametes. Eight flagella-like structures. So they are presenting on the 8 daughter nuclei. So these daughter nuclei entering into the each flagellum. 8 flagellas at 8 nucleus. One flagella, one nucleus entering into the one flagella. After the flagellas are the lashing movements. The flagellas are the lashing movements. The flagellums are the separate from the cytoplasm. So this process is called as exflagellation. Process is called as exflagellation. Finally, the formation of 8 male gametes. Finally, the formation of 8 male gametes. Next one, second side heading, female gamete formation. Second side heading, female gamete formation. Female gamete formation. So the female gamete formation, the female gametocyte undergoes few changes. They transform into the female gametocyte. Undergoes a few changes. They transform into the female gametocyte. They transform into the few changes. They transform into the few changes. They formation of female gamete. Female gamete. The female gametocyte undergoes few changes. They transform into the female gamete. So this process is called as maturation. This process is called as maturation. Simple. So the female gametocyte undergoes few changes and transform into the female gametocyte. So this process is called as maturation. This process is called as maturation. Next one, so the female gametocyte contains a nucleus. The nucleus towards into the peripheral inside. The nucleus. So these are the female gametocyte. Female gamete. So they are presenting on the nucleus. The nucleus towards into the peripheral inside. Towards into the peripheral inside. Towards into the peripheral inside. So they are formation of the pseudopodia-like structures. So these are called as fertilization cone. This site is called as fertilization cone. Fertilization cone. These are called as fertilization cone. So the nucleus towards into the peripheral inside, the formation of flagella-like structure, the formation of pseudopodia-like structure. So this region is called as fertilization cone. The region is called as fertilization cone. So they are formation of the nucleus towards into the peripheral inside. The nucleus towards into the peripheral inside. So looks like they are called as fertilization cone. So they are called as fertilization cone. Fertilization cone. They are called as fertilization cone. So they are the formation of female gamete. So they are separating gametogeny. So the gametogeny means the formation of male and female gametes from the gametocyte. The formation of male and female gametes from the gametocytes is called as gametogeny. So there are the two types, male gamete formation and female gamete formation. First one, male gamete formation. The male gametocyte, the nucleus divided into 8 daughter nuclei. So these 8 daughter nuclei. Next one, the cytoplasm, the formation of flagella-like structures. So these flagella, one nucleus entering into the one flagella. After flagella formation, so they are the lashing movements. The flagellas are the separate from the cytoplasm. Flagellas are the separate from the cytoplasm. So the each flagella, this separation of the flagellum is called as exflagellation. So the each flagellum act as the one male gamete. Next one, female gamete formation. The female gamete formation, the female gametocyte undergoes few changes. They transform into the female gamete. The female gamete, this process is called as maturation. Next step, the nucleus towards into the peripheral inside. That region, the formation of the projection is called as fertilization cone. So they are the gametogamy, male gamete formation and female gamete formation. Next, second side heading, fertilization.